What are you looking at? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in today's Monday Motivational Quote. Let's get to it. So Henry David Thoreau is quoted as saying, "It's not what you look at, but what you see that matters." Now, I think both of those things matter a great deal, but the truth of it is that our perception when we look at a problem, do we see it as a problem or something that can stop us, or something that we just have to solve and get through and we can learn from, grow with, whatever. So a lot of times it's our attitude or motivation behind what we see that determines the outcome. And so what do you see in the situation you're facing right now? How do you feel about that? And is that reality? How are you empowered to make a difference, to make a change, and to see a better future, or to see a better situation at the end based on what you are empowered to do? Hope that was helpful. We'll catch you next week.